Okay, you've got your protractor on here. Well, that stinks. I can't record and show it up on the screen at the same time. There we go. Now I can. Alrighty, so you put your protractor on here. You lined it up. And you go, well, shoot, this line isn't long enough to measure. I can't see it. So that's why they put a ruler on here. So you make this line as long as you want. It can go all the way off the page for all I care. Doesn't matter. You're going to erase it anyway. Okay? Then you take your protractor and you put it back on there. Line it up. And now you can see your line is going right through the protractor. What two angle measures is it going through? 140 and 40. But where did we start our angle? Did we start measuring our angle from this side or from this side? Well, look, you can tell because it's going from here to there, right? That's the arch I'm following. So if I look at my arch, I started over here, so I've got to use my inside measurements. You could also say, oh, well, look at that. It's an obtuse angle. It's fat. It's got to be more than 90. So I better use the 140. So you know your answer is 140 degrees. Now I could put my protractor on here and tell you, oh yeah, look, it's 130. Well, my problem would be is I haven't aligned my arrows. You can't just throw the protractor on there any old way you want. You've got to twist and turn it so that the lines match. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Make sure whenever you're measuring on this paper that you're following the arc shown. So on number 8, you're not going to be measuring the inside of the angle. You're going to be measuring the outside of the angle. So it looks like a fatter angle than it is. It's going to be even fatter. Okay? Now, let's answer your essential question. How can you classify an angle without a protractor? So that way that you know, hey, is it supposed to be obtuse or acute? How do I know I'm using the right measurement on my protractor? You take a sheet of paper. Every single piece of paper has a 90-degree angle on the corner, right? So you take that piece of paper and you put it in the angle, okay? Put it right in the angle. Line up one edge of the paper with one side of the angle and put it right there in the corner, okay? And then you'll have missing angle here. So if you have missing part right here, you can see the line, you know it's obtuse. If you can't see the line, it's acute because the line is hidden underneath the paper. It's less than 90. If the other line matches up exactly with the edge of the paper, it's a 90-degree angle. Those are your three options. It's either showing, covered up, or right in line. Showing it's obtuse, hidden it's acute. Right there it's obtuse. Okay?